Bonjour! So today we're going to talk a little bit about some different amphibians and reptiles that we have. So the first one we have up here is Mshika. Mshika. Mshika we know as turtle. Now that can be pretty much any kind of turtle. That could be a snapping turtle, that can be a painted turtle, etc. That means the one that sinks down to the earth. When the turtle goes in the water, it'll sink down into the mud area. Next one we have on here is Mkinok. Mkinok. So Mkinok is your snapping turtle. Mkinok. So that term Mackinaw or Mackinac, that all derives from Mkinok, snapping turtle. Next one we have up here is Bosekido. Bosekido is a box turtle. Box turtle. And those are the turtles that have the shell which is like that yellow, orange, and black color on there. Bosekido. They board up in there. Next one we have is Musquakas. Musquakas is a painted turtle. So on that word Musquakas you have Musqua, which is the color red. That describes the redness that is on the shell of the painted turtle. Musquakas. Next one we have on here is Makchako. Makchako is a frog. Makchako, any type of frog. Below that we have Pigmugkey. Pigmugkey. Pigmugkey describes bumps. And so this is describing the warts on the back of a toad. Toad, Pigmugkey. Pigmugkey. Next one we have is Kokotni. Kokotni is used for an alligator, crocodile, also used for a hippo. It literally means the scary thing in the water. Kokotni. Next thing we have is Gaktanango. Gaktanango is a lizard. Gaktanango, lizard. The next one we have on here is Guiozas. Guiozas is a black salamander, shiny black salamander. Now you might hear a couple different words for salamander. You'll hear Guiozas, you'll hear Gigaba, which also means boy, and you'll also hear Gadagamnado, which is spotted salamander. Next one, over on the right side, we have Ganabuk. Ganabuk, any type of snake. And so Ganabuk means the one that lays or sits long ways. The snake lays long. Below that we have Nadwe. Nadwe. Nadwe is one way to say a rattlesnake. And that describes the sound that he makes. Nadwe. Below that we have Shashage. Shashage. You might see something familiar with Shishigwan, which is a rattle or a shaker. So Shashage is another way that you could say rattlesnake. Below that we have Msquandup. Msquandup. So Msquandup literally means red head, but it refers to a copperhead. It's also used for a fox snake as well. Msquandup. Below that we have Mistamo. Mistamo. Mistamo is a water snake. Mistamo. Below that we have Bwadashkat. Bwadashkat. Boadashkat is a blow snake. So once you see their neck puffs up, Boadashkat. Next we have Dende. Dende is a bullfrog. Dende. Below that we have Bodo. Bodo. Bodo is a tadpole. Bodo. And then the last one we have on here is Gnabagomek. Gnabagomek. And that is how you would describe an eel. Gnabagomek. So right here you see Gnabuk for snake, or one that lays a long way. This mek, muck, mac, said different ways, describes a fish. So it means a snake fish, eel. So we'll go through and we'll say these. We got Mshika, Mshika, Mshika. We have Mkinok, Mkinok, Mkinok. We have Bosekido, Bosekido, Bosekido. We have Msquakas, Msquakas, Msquakas. Makchako, Makchako, Makchako. Pigmugki, Pigmugki, Pigmugki. Kokotni, Kokotni, Kokotni. Gaktanango, Gaktanango, Gaktanango. Guiuzas, Guiuzas, Guiuzas. Gnabuk, Gnabuk, Gnabuk. Nodwe, Nodwe, Nodwe. Jashage, Jashage, Jashage. Msquandup, Msquandup, Msquandup. Mistamo, Mistamo, Mistamo. Boadashkat, Boadashkat, Boadashkat. Dende, Dende, Dende. Bodo, Bodo, Bodo. Gnabagomek, Gnabagomek, Gnabagomek. Got any questions or comments? Leave them below. I'll get back. Bum up.